I just came at this location and I have already set up my lenses. I have my Sony a7 III with me and the lens is Tamron 72-300. I'm using the telescopic lens so that I can zoom in further and get better composition. If I used wide angle lens, there will be much more distraction because the river bank and all the elements under the river, around the river, would create chaos in the photo. I just wanted to shoot the tree, sunset, and some part of grasses under the tree. Let's see how the photo will come. But I believe that if I wait a bit longer, the sunset would look much better and create much more nice vibe. So let's wait just for some time. The sunset has already came down. I'm going to use aperture value of f9 and use the rule of third to put the tree at the intersection point in the composition. I'll be using shutter speed of 320 as I am shooting at 300 mm focal length and the ISO value will be 640. Now let's change the perspective or angle of the photo. मैले सनलाई चाहिँ अलिकति रुखको नजिकै ल्याउन खोजेर यो पर्सपेक्टिभ चेन्ज गरेको यो फोटो कस्तो आउँछ हेरौँला. For the most of the time, I'm using either f11 or f9 aperture and shutter speed of 320 because as a rule of thumb, the minimum shutter speed must be equal or more than focal length to get sharp images. For the ISO, if this is sunset, I could not get the lowest ISO, so I'm using ISO of 640 to 1000. And Sony a7 III can easily handle this range without much grain or noise in the photo. Now let's finish this shoot for today. I have been waiting to shoot this sunset from some days, and as I have done it now, I am very much satisfied with the result. Although this place is not that picturesque, but the sunset glow, the tree and composition rule has created a good looking photo. I hope that. In fact, I have came at this location for scouting some days before and found out that this place with my zoom lens would give me a good looking sunset photo. And it has done that. Thank you for watching, and let's pack up now and I will show you how to edit these photos in Lightroom, so please watch till the end.